Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So today's video is about Master NumPy in Python, the ultimate beginner's guide. So in today's video, we are going to learn NumPy, one of the most powerful Python libraries for data science, machine learning, mathematics and scientific computing. So NumPy makes working with arrays, matrix and numerical calculations super fast and easy. To help you get started, I'll show you some examples with explanation. So let's start this. So firstly we'll see the basic example, which is create a NumPy array. So for this, firstly we'll import the library NumPy. So in this example, NumPy array are faster and more efficient than Python list. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see the output, how to create a NumPy array. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is create a 2D array. So for this we'll import NumPy as NP. So this will create a 2D array. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see the output. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is generate a sequence of numbers. So let's see this. So this will generate a sequence of number, and now we'll see the output of this. So here we can see the output. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is create an array of zeros and ones. So here this is very useful for initializing data, neural networks and placeholders. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see the output. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is mathematical operation on arrays. So we'll see how to perform mathematical operations using array. So NumPy performs operations on every element automatically, means it's a vectorized operation. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see the vectorized operation. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is useful NumPy function. So the useful NumPy functions here are mean, maximum and minimum. So this is the array we created. Now we'll find the mean of this, and secondly we'll find the maximum of this, and thirdly we'll find the minimum of these array. So now we can see the output of this. So here we can see the mean, the maximum value and the minimum value. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is reshape. So here we have made an original array and then we'll reshape the same array. So now reshape method changes the shape of an array without changing the data. Very useful in machine learning and when handling image data batches. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see the reshaped array. And now moving on to the next one. So the next one is element wise comparison. So here NumPy lets you compare array element by element. This is very great for filtering, data cleaning and condition based operation. So we'll see the output of this. So here you can see the output. It's a condition based thing. So you learned how to create arrays, generate sequence, perform math operation and use common NumPy functions. NumPy is the backbone of data science, AI and deep learning. So mastering it is a huge step forward. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.